Well, a couple years ago, McCormicks Creek had a tornado go through and devastated the campground, even had a death. And it tore through the wilderness and destroyed many of the trails that were over here, the most popular ones. The Wolf Cave Trail, Trail 5. And apparently, over the last few weeks, I guess they got it open. So I'm going to go take a look at it today. Apparently, access to Trail 5 is through Trail 8 and this little playground over here. You can't park at the Wolf Creek parking area yet. I guess it's still closed off, as is the campground. I've taken some drone shots just before this hike so I can show you guys what it looks like from the air. I did it right after it happened too, so we'll do some comparison there. But this is the trail, disabled access, paved, that comes down to what used to be the loop, and apparently it only goes about halfway around. Makes it to the cave though, so we'll see that. Around this bend here, I'm seeing the first evidence of the tornado damage, and look at this old growth tree that was across the trail. Oh my gosh! Yeah, this trail was closed for a year and a half, maybe 2 years. I'm not sure exactly. I'll look it up and see exactly when that happened. But man, huge tree, ripped it right down. And here we are. Oh my gosh. It's interesting how a tornado can have such a distinct boundary. The tornado wall just tore right through. I think this was about a half-mile wide when it went through here. And it ended up in Whiteland, Indiana. The same tornado, or the same storm system anyway. This was all woods. Either go clockwise or counterclockwise, and both entrances to this loop were very close in this area right here. They've closed this off, but they've opened up for counterclockwise motion. Yeah, the other entrance was just right over there, just where that sign's at. Oh my gosh, can you imagine being here when this tornado came through here? What? There we are, the main path of that. Not sure where it was at. It might be buried under trees now, but there was a nice waterfall along here that I think we passed it. That I wanted to use as a landmark so I could figure out where exactly we were. But it looks like it's buried. So here we are dancing across another stream. Oh, here's a bridge here. So now we're getting up to the cave area. It looks like the trees were spared here as we get closer to the cave. Yep, this is the back side of the cave. You can actually go in and through, which I'm not going to do today. But we are going to go as far as this trail will let us go before they close it off again, which means we go up this hill here. I won't force you to watch this. In the seating area, and this is the traditional view when you come down here, what it would look like. And the bugs are terrible. Yeah, looks like doesn't look so bad here, but I imagine once you get up there, you're right in the thick of the center of the tornado, because that trail ends up coming right back to where the other one started. So there it is. Wolf Cave, we made it.